Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Welcome back to our new channel. So today we are diving into the exciting world of machine learning. Whether you are a beginner or experienced data enthusiast, this free university course will supercharge your ML skills. Let's get started. So the first course will be Introduction to Machine Learning by Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The Introduction to Machine Learning course from MIT covers a range of ML topics in considerable depth. You can access the course contents including the exercise and practice lab for free on MIT Open Learning Library. From the basics of machine learning to conveyance and recommender systems, here are a list of topics that we will cover in this course. So the basics part, then the perceptrons, features, machine learning, margin, maximization, regression, neural network, and so on that will cover in this course. I will put the course link in the description box. You can check out from that. And the second course will be data science machine learning course provided by Harvard University. Machine learning course offered by Harvard University. In this course, you will explore popular machine learning techniques, build a movie recommendation system, and gain essential skills. So here, what you will learn. The course content will be machine learning algorithms, understand and implement popular machine learning algorithms, principal component analysis, PCA, learn how to reduce dimensionality using PCA, regularization, explore regularization techniques to prevent overfitting, build a movie recommendation system, apply your knowledge to create a recommendation systems. So those are the learning contents provided by this course, and you can meet the professor of this course, professor of biostatics, Rafael Irizarry, TH Chan School of Public Health. So he will be the instructor for this course. When we will click on the learn more section, you will provide to the redirect to the edx portal where you can learn in this course. You can either sign in, or if you have existing account, you can sign in from clicking on this button, or if you don't have any kind of account with them, so you have to register first and you can access the free content. You can see this is the 8 weeks course with on average of 2 to 4 hours per week, and this course is absolutely free. But if you want to get the free certification from this course, then you have to, there are optional upgrades available. You can upgrade yourself. Moving on to the next course, applied machine learning with Python, provided by University of Michigan. So this course will introduce the learner to applied machine learning, focusing more on the techniques and methods than on the statistics behind these methods. This course will start with a discussion of how machine learning is different from descriptive statistics and introduce the scikit-learn toolkit through a tutorial. This issue of dimensionality of data will be discussed. Approaches for creating predictive models will be described, and the learners will be able to apply the data generalizability, example cross-validation and overfitting. This course will end with a look at more advanced techniques such as building assembles and practical limitation of predictive models. So you can see the course models over here by clicking on this link. The first module will be fundamentals of machine learning, intro to scikit-learn, and the second module will be supervised learning, and the third module will be evaluation, and fourth module will be supervised machine learning part 2. Although this is a paid course, but you can let me redirect it to the my to my already signed in account in Coursera. By click on this enroll free option, you will have to come across some kind of pop-up like here. After click on the audit section of this course, you can access freely all the learning contents provided in this course. You can see in in such a way you can access all learning contents and learning materials provided by this course. So move on to the next topic and the next course. So the next course will be machine learning provided by Stanford. So this is a YouTube set of YouTube videos. So by going through all these videos, you can learn all the learning contents and learning materials of this course. So the course contents will be the course provided broad instruction to machine learning and statistical pattern recognition. Topics include supervised learning, generative or discriminative learning, parametric clustering, dimensionality reduction, kernel methods, learning theory, bias and variance, trade-offs, practical advice, and so on. You can see all the contents are recently updated around 9 months ago. So you will get the updated content and fresh learning materials from these YouTube videos. So move on to the next course, the fifth and last course of this topic. So the fifth course will be statistical learning with Python provided by Stanford University. So this is an introductory level course in supervised learning with focus on regression and classification methods. The syllabus includes linear and polynomial regression, logistic regression, and linear discriminant analysis, cross-validation and the bootstrap model, selection and regularization methods, rich and lasso, nonlinear models, splines and generalized additive models, tree-based methods, random forest and boosting support vector machines, and so on. So this is a you can see this is a free certification course. The tuition fee will be $0. If I click on this enroll now button, you will redirected to the edx website. So if you already, I have already mentioned, if you don't have the account with this website, you have to first of all register for free button clicking on this, and then all, or if you already have the account, then you can click on the sign in button by putting your username and password credentials. You can redirect it to the course contents. So that's all about today. Remember, knowledge is power, and these free courses are your ticket to mastering machine learning. So that's all about today. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.